Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create our AI Summarization from URL template from scratch. This tool is super helpful for generating concise summaries of web pages. And if you'd like to see it in action, check out the demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's get started by adding our first component. We'll begin with URL Retriever, which enables our chatbot to access and analyze the data in the inputted URL. Next, we'll add the tool calling agent. This component acts as the core of our flow. The agent is an advanced module that can respond to users by leveraging the tools at its disposal. We should give a short prompt in the system message of the tool calling agent. The prompt is in the description and shown on screen. Finally, we'll link the tool calling agent to the output, completing the setup. And that's it! We've successfully created the AI Summarization from URL template. If you have any questions about this flow, feel free to reach out or drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.